Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best contact applicator is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential tools for contact lens wearers, ensuring a hygienic and efficient lens application process, minimizing the risk of contamination and damage, ultimately leading to a more comfortable and healthy lens wearing experience. In this video, we will explore the top contact applicators available, comparing their features, ease of use, and overall value to help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Travel Contact Lens Kit. This kit makes contact lens care easy and convenient, no matter where you are. It's perfect for travel or everyday use. Cleaning your lenses is simple. Just wash your hands, add solution, and rotate the lid for a thorough clean. Each case features a unique marble design, adding a touch of style to your daily routine. No two are exactly alike. This compact kit includes everything you need: a case, mirror, solution bottle, tweezers, and a remover tool. It's got it all. It's small enough to fit in your pocket or purse, making it ideal for travel. Take it anywhere. The leak-proof design ensures your solution stays secure, so you can carry it with confidence. No spills. This stylish and practical kit is perfect for anyone who wears contact lenses. It's a great gift, too. What we like? This kit has everything you need for contact lens care on the go. It's compact and leak-proof, perfect for travel or busy days. If you're always on the move and need a convenient solution, this is the one for you. What people say? It literally has everything I need to keep my lenses clean and comfortable when I'm out and about: a portable contact box, a mirror, tweezers, a remover tool, and even a solution bottle. The compact design is perfect for tossing into my purse or backpack. Case is exactly as pictured. Makes traveling with contacts very easy. The little dropper bottle is perfect for filling the lens cups or re-wetting your lenses. The little suction cup helps with getting lenses in, and the soft-tipped tweezers are helpful when you have long nails to get lenses out. Number 4. IMPRESA Scleral Lens Tool. Say goodbye to frustrating contact lens application and removal. This innovative tool makes handling hard or scleral lenses, and even prosthetic eyes, easier and more hygienic. It's designed for simple and comfortable use. Experience a quick and accurate way to apply your lenses, every time. Its larger size is perfect for scleral lenses and prosthetic eyes. It provides a secure and gentle application process. The ventless suction design grips your lenses firmly without touching them. This minimizes the risk of dropping or mishandling your lenses. Made from durable silicone, it's designed for everyday use. Unlike other tools, it's effective, easy to control, and safe. Upgrade your contact lens routine with this essential tool. Experience the difference of a hygienic, efficient, and worry-free application. What we like? This pack provides multiple hygienic applicators and removers for hard or scleral lenses. The ventless design ensures a safe and comfortable application. If you value hygiene and ease of use with hard or scleral lenses, this is your best bet. Number 3. IMPRESA RGP Lens Remover. Removing hard contact lenses can be difficult, but it doesn't have to be. This innovative tool makes the process quick and easy, saving you time and frustration. Simply moisten the suction cup, gently press it against your lens, and pull away. It's that simple. You'll remove your lenses in seconds. Made from flexible silicone, it's designed for safe and effective removal of hard contact lenses. It's gentle on your eyes, yet effective at removing even stubborn lenses. This silicone tool is built to last. The 10-pack ensures you always have a spare, whether you're at home or on the go. This tool will quickly become a part of your daily routine. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Keep some in your bathroom, car, purse, or travel bag. It's small, convenient, and always ready when you need it. What we like? This bulk pack offers multiple durable and easy-to-use removers for hard contact lenses. It's simple to use and will save you time and hassle. If you wear hard contacts and want a simple, effective removal tool, choose this one. Number 2. AITIME Portable Lens Kit. Tired of struggling with your contacts? This kit makes insertion and removal a breeze, especially if you have long nails. It's much cleaner than using your fingers. Protect your lenses and your eyes with this handy tool. The soft silicone tip and stick ensure your contacts stay safe from damage during handling. The unique design keeps it off the counter and prevents contamination. It's always ready for use. Small enough for your makeup bag, this kit is your perfect travel companion. Always have it on hand. It includes everything you need: a case, remover, inserter, tweezer, and scooper. Just rinse the silicone before first use. What we like. This kit is designed for sanitary contact lens handling, especially beneficial for those with long nails. The soft silicone tips protect your lenses. If you prioritize hygiene and have long nails, this is a great option. What people say. Great for travel, doesn't leak, plus the tweezers are very soft, still couldn't get the contact out. The scoop is super helpful when getting your contact out of the case. These tweezers work great for taking the lens out of the packaging and putting it on my insertion tool so much easier. I don't even have to touch the lenses. The scooper thing is nice too. I have acrylic nails and this has just become my new favorite thing. I can finally get my contacts out fast. Number 1. MLAONC TENSTARS Contact Lens Kit. This handy kit makes inserting and removing your contact lenses a breeze. It's designed for ease of use and includes everything you need. It's made from durable plastic, so you can rely on it time after time. The applicator and tweezer tips are made of soft silicone for gentle handling. At just 2.76 by 0.39 inches, it's small enough to fit in your purse or pocket. Take it with you wherever you go. The kit includes a contact lens inserter, a remover, and a handy tweezer. Everything you need is right here in one convenient package. The simple design makes it easy to use, even for first-time contact lens wearers. Enjoy comfortable and confident contact lens application. We're here to help. Contact us if you have any questions about this product or need further assistance. What we like. This applicator and remover set is durable and portable, with soft silicone tips for gentle handling. It's a convenient and safe option for everyday use. If you need a reliable and easy-to-use tool, this is a good choice. What people say. Recently started wearing contact lenses again and needed portable tools to have in my purse in case of emergency. This set is perfect for that reason, and it's in its own little carrying case. I gave 3 stars only because I was able to take off the silicone ends and put it onto my old tweezer and they fit well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.